February 25th, 2023. Little birthday run here. We got both the blizzards out, the Kyosho Trail King and the Midnight Blizzard. Out on the side of the road, just goofing around, so it's going to be what it is. It is what it is. I got some extra heavy gloves on, which can make this a little bit difficult. Having trouble working the sticks on my transmitter. My gloves are just a little bit too bulky for this. Trying to find a little bit slack. Able to get through? I can't go full throttle with my gloves. I should have remembered this from last year when I wore these gloves. The gloves don't work well for the transmitter. Yeah, I can't go full pull because the gloves just don't go that far. You're almost up. Car coming? You must have broke it down for me.
Yeah.
Made it right in there. One on one side, one on the other. I don't know who that is. Hey, there you go.
There we go.
Yeah, light bar is being a little goofy, eh?
Yeah.
It doesn't like the cold temperatures.
Something. It's barely working at all.
Trucks have been sitting out acclimating for quite some time. So that cheap no-name light bar just does not like the cold temperatures, apparently. Once again, get what you pay for when you order items like that. Just FYI for everybody else. We've got several of them. We're learning the lesson the hard way. Very difficult. Man, these gloves are just not working out for me today. I should do a trial test run before I drove.
Whoa.
Whoa, indeed. I almost whipped it. Joe King just raging around. It looks like you made a nice little path there. Oh, I almost had it. Try to make a new one. Oh, I stuffed it right into somebody's footprint. Oh, these things are a riot, really. Tough to get stuck in this deep stuff, which is obviously pretty darn deep. Yeah, that's just a snowbank on the side of the road, and the plow pushed up a lot of that, but hey, try taking a walk through here. It's definitely over a foot deep. That's where I was trying to make it up earlier. Kind of gave up early on it because of my gloves. Not being able to go full throttle. Can't see nothing but my taillights in there. Oh, I almost got you. I think we're both stuck. Oh. You made it. I'm good and buried now, though. Insult to injury. Try hitting me from the other side. Yeah. Oh, nope. No good. Yeah, just hit it a couple times. It'll be alright.
Just whack it a few times.
I appreciate that. Yeah, I had a feeling if I would have backed up first, I probably would have made it out. And normally, it's pretty difficult to get one of these things stuck. You can, if you get buried in, you can pretty much back right back out. Most of the time.
Good.
A little bit of an endo there. Certainly didn't hurt your lights any.
No.
I knew I should have went a little bit faster. Oh yeah, that's unrecoverable, eh?
Slow motion roll.
A little straight up and down there. Yeah, it's hard on the battery, just all that bursting. Nice. Nice out.
I'm getting the hang of it again.
Yeah, it's, you gotta get used to driving the tracks, you know. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. I was down in your footprint over here. Yeah, it was so. I was buried in the good. Alright, bear with me, everyone. I'm trying to drive this thing with some gloves that are not too friendly with the thumbs.
I stuck this.
You got it stuck in the hole?
Yeah, look right here.
Oh, yeah. Yep, you're buried in there. Right into that footprint. Yeah, I was getting stuck in those footprints too, but managed to blast it out.
Not this one.
Pretty sure I can make it up and over that hill, but don't know what's on the other side. I know there's a tree down over there. I can see it. More footprints.
That's the way to get them.
Yeah, a little siren there, flashing light. That's a fun little area. Just bomb down the roadside a little bit here and see if we can find something else a little bit more interesting. Gotta throw some of that snow off my bed. I had some buildup. Now Chris and Chuck have a nice little hole down here. We should go down there and hit that. Oops, sorry, we're gonna try to make it up onto the snowbank. Crash it dirty. Ah, I had it and I let go.
Trying to back up.
Trying to back up it?
No, I don't want to turn around so I get a better run at it.
That's a pretty good little angle on it. Oh, I almost had it. You got snagged on the lip. There you go. Straight up and in. Whoa! Oh, boy. That was like me jumping Samson off the workbench in the garage.
Oh my gosh.
That's a huge drop.
Expecting that.
Camera's out of focus. I can't touch it. My phone or gloves are not camera friendly. Right. Yeah, see if you can make it back up here. Hell yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, head on down the road here. If I can keep my gloves oriented in the right direction. Hold my transmitter a little goofy so my not so flexible thumbs will work better.
Whoa.
Can only go about half throttle. How much are in India? Oh, I almost got that reflector over there. Driveway markers. Another little snow bowl over here. Not our snow bowl, but somebody else's. Water drain area. Runoff in the summertime. Kind of turns into a little bit of a frog pond or a place for a pig to wallow.
I saw a pig in there a year or two back.
Yeah, that one that wandered through the property was laying in there, wallowing in the hole. There it is. Big spotting. Hey, no problem. Mind the raspberries and the small saplings. Oh yeah. Front end just disappeared down in that. I got snow on my windshield.
Oh my god. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was funny.
That's hilarious. A little bit deeper than I thought. Oh, cut me off. Oh, wow. Big poof. Oh, that's a hard one.
Yeah.
Oh, no. You're down in no man's land, man. If I get down in there, man, I'm gonna get buried.
To get in there.
Yeah, it's to be. Well, you might as well sit there.
Frozen, whatever's in there, but oh my god.
Sorry.
Just smashed it.
Oh, you still got the cake. I just drove you into the ground. Use your truck for traction. Sorry, I drove over it again. I'm such a terrible brother. Sorry, man.
Oh my god.
Blizzards.
There we go.
Blizzards and Trail Kings. Total riot. Don't understand why these things are sold out everywhere. I mean, really, you don't see too many of them online. And the videos that I do, I mean, really, they're not even all that popular. Not too many people really watching Blizzard videos. You're right on the edge. You're not going to be able to make it back up, though, I don't think. If I had a tow rope, I'd give you a pull. Might be able to tilt down the top here a little bit so you can get back up. Oh, maybe not. Oh, into that hard snowball. Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Right on up. Yeah, I gotta love these little guys. Definitely a lot of fun. But once again, don't know why they're all sold out everywhere. A few places have them, few and far between, little online shops and whatnot. Don't know how trustworthy they are, but you know, you see a couple here and there. I bought that Trail King from a place called Liquid RC last Christmas. Another online shop. I believe they're out of Florida. Liquid RC. They showed up on time. Everything was in great shape. Nothing wrong with it. Kind of odd getting a Trail King from Florida, but hey, whoever's got one, you know, you might have to call to Florida if you want to find one. Maybe there's a place in Hawaii that's got one. Yeah, odd place for it, but hey, they do good in the sand. Sand and soft snow. But to my information, Kyosho was made in Japan. So that was a nice little run.
That was good.
So that should alleviate any China shipping problems, you know. So once again, don't know why everybody's out of stock on these things. Doesn't make much sense. Heading right for that big snowball. Oh, into the footprints. Ah, power through. Bouncing through them. Anyway. Crash up, Blizzard. Malachi Crunch.
Yeah, that's it.
Need to make a little race course. Make a little Blizzard track. Oh, that's a big one. Just dove in there head first. Wide open, you can get to the footprints. Oh, that was deep. I was in there blocking it. You could hear that thing coming into it.
Oh my gosh.
Snow breakaway. That's awesome. I don't think we can make it back up through there though. That's pretty darn
up
steep.
on this side. That's why it got me the first time. Yep.
Whoa.
Oh.
Not gonna let this slow me down. Digging holes. Keep playing with fire on that one. Was the orbs flying by the screen? If it was... Are you stuck?
No way I'm stuck.
No way. You guys snagged on something? Oh, hold on a minute. Let's see if I can get over there. Try to give you a push. You get buried in there too far. Uh-oh.
Right from the front. More area to push on.
Go forward a little bit. All right, you're stuck. Let me go. Yeah, go backwards. Uh-oh. I'm probably ripping off your mirror.
Oh my God,
oh, those mirrors on those Trail Kings are so fragile. You're buried in there now.
Oh yeah, I'm going for a walk again. Nothing there. I don't know how I got stuck.
Must be snagged on a tree root or something. Or a small sapling. I don't know. It's odd. Here I am talking about blizzards and how hard they are to get stuck and get it buried. In the soft spot. Or not so deep spot, really. Oh, that is a hole. Nice. Big power wheelie coming up the hill.
Ah, more footprint.
Hey, that's the challenge.
Yeah.
That's a fun little area.
Oh no.
Are you stuck again?
Yeah.
No way. Try going forward. There you go. Keep going. Don't stop in the footprints. Just stay on the gas. Oh, you are definitely stuck there. At least it's reachable. It's not that far. I think your lights are getting a little brighter.
I think so too.
The light part. Oh, yeah. Get what you pay for, light bars. Noted. Want a light bar that you'll never have a problem with? Get a ProLine light bar. They work great. Not being sponsored. Speaking from experience. Crazy array of orbs here in slow motion. As slow as I can possibly get it. But yeah, definitely, it's not snowing, so I don't know what this is. Definitely unique, whatever it is. Something flying by at high speed, multiple colors, producing their own light. And I don't know, they just come out of nowhere and disappear just as quick. Unexplainable. Definitely unexplainable. Multicolor. It can't be reflection off the truck, because if it were, then we'd be getting it all the time. It's not reflection off the reflectors in the background, because if it were, then we'd be getting it all the time, once again. And this is just periodic. So whatever it is whatever it is. One last one here as we run out. There it goes. All right, coming right for you.
Oh my gosh, facing the same way.
How perfect is that? Oh, there goes your mirror almost. Gee, holy lordy. These gloves here, just too bulky. Can't work this controller.
Mine are so snow covered, can't grab the stick. Ah.
That's what she said. Slick stick. Ah, let's find another spot here. Hey, McIsaac's got a cool little spot over here. Let's head over here. Get McIsaac's front yard a little bit. There's a nice up. Get out of your way. I think there's a gravel pile right over here buried in the woods. I know that for certain. I cleared that out a couple times this spring. Oh, right into the trees. Goofy thumb. And here's another spot with the orbs coming through, or light anomalies, whatever they happen to be. Not snowing. So don't know what it is. Definitely odd. Thumb. That's a fun little spot right there, Ian. There's another valley. There's a falling down tree in there, so you have to be careful. Oh!
Oh man!
Oh, I wedged it.
Oh no!
Under my light bar. Oh, I made it.
Alright, I'm going to
Alright,
go back there.
let's take it out. Little inspection here.
I already know my luck.
It doesn't look any worse for wear. We got a little crack on the sunroof, but that might have been there previously. Not sure. Darn trees. Obstacles. Oh, there's a path cleared now if you got back in there. Oh, right off the sapling. Nighttime. And here's a few more multicolored flybys coming in like snow, but it's not snowing. Unexplainable. Show up just as quick as they disappear. Don't know what they are, but there they are. Oh, right off the sapling. Nighttime. Visibility. Oh, watch the hard turns. Oh, that's a good one. I don't know if I caught it or not, but it was pretty good. Nice little hop. Oh, look at that. You're done. Oh, that was awesome. You might be able to make it back up again. There you go. Nice. Powering up to the top. Kyosho Trail King. Not a stock Trail King once again. Other viewers, new viewers, you might want to check out some of my other original Trail King videos on that thing. We do have two Traxxas Titan 18 turn 380s in that. Still running the stock ESC, and we're running dual batteries.
Yeah, stock ESC still.
Yeah, stock ESCs are working pretty good so far. Not as much punch as the Axial AE5s. Hobby Wing 1080 would probably be a little bit better. But not too bad for what they are.
Overall.
Once again, from that walk and talk video that I did the other night, I want to see how long those things are going to last for. We could hook it up to 3S and probably burn them out immediately, but the Kyosho motors, or those Traxxas Titan motors, are not 3S compatible. Fish that. Another bank? You going for it?
Yeah.
Oh, a little far off. Right? 2.6 forward, 2.6 reverse. Oh, there we go. Gloves interfere with hand movement. Dexterity. I'm marking it. Oh, he made it. He let off the gas. Perfect time. Put on down to your area. Orb flyby. Ah, spinning. Hitting the chassis. Hitting the belly pan. Little track slap off the running boards on the bottom of the body, but hey, what you pay for a cool body. Sorry, I almost hit you. Ah, Lexine body over hard plastic. You made it up over the edge. Another price I got to pay for that cool body. Whoa, you almost got me. Body. Whoa, you almost got me. That was so close. That was so close. Yeah, you lost it on that one. You probably went about looks like you got about a 15-inch gap there. I'm always a little bit A little bit big on my measurements. Maybe it's a 10-inch gap or 12-inch gap. 15 might be pushing it. Fish stories, you know. I made it. Big snowballs. I missed that one. Whoa, man. I'm about to join you. Hey, what's up? Close encounters with blizzards. Oh, that's a huge step there. Need to create a ramp. Knock some snow down. Yeah, making it a little bit wider and wider every time. Car.
Hey, I made it.
Interrupt us. Same one, eh? No, it's Chris.
Is it?
Or, what's it called? Sean. Sean. That's who it is. Sean's minivan. Ah, nice. Made it. Ah, nice up. You made it up to you. Almost got me. Oh! Wash out. Oh, you probably couldn't jump me if you went straight. I'm like right on the edge of this, slid myself in here nicely. Yeah, it's a little bit hard on that edge.
That thing really wheelie.
Yeah, I don't know, it's a little bit dangerous. A little bit harder on vehicles in that spot. Rock hard snowballs. Watch out for those snowballs, man. They'll take you out. Head back towards that valley. Oh, don't get stuck. Ah. Yep, they 360 pretty good. What's hard to do is trying to drift. Trying to drift to get like a slow, steady drift going on. That's a little bit more difficult. I mean, it's easy, but it's difficult. Not so easy with these gloves on, but you gotta kind of work that left stick a little bit as you. Sometimes you gotta tap the other stick in reverse a little bit as you're to get it spinning. Right on my leg. And Jim. Yeah, they're fun in the deep sand too, like out in the Glamis sand dunes or Silver Lake sand dunes. It'd be really good for that stuff. Only problem is that sand just gets into everything, as everyone well knows about sand. Gets everywhere. And the little idler wheels or bogey wheels on the blizzards for the track suspension have a spring that sits into a recessed pocket that works the bogey wheels. And the sand gets up inside those little pockets and gets all gritty and nasty, and it's a real pain in the butt to clean it all out. So they're good for sand, but the whole cleanup process is a little bit of a pain in the butt. Looking at the side of my Kyosho Blizzard. All right, here's the little spring that I'm talking about right here on the idler wheels for the track suspension on the side of the Blizzard. They do have suspension on each idler wheel. There's a little spring right there. Now we see two ends sticking up. It's a one-piece spring. It's about this long. Goes down, wraps around, comes back up, and bends over. And it sits into a recessed pocket right here on this shaft leading out to the idler wheel. Once again, these guys are fun in soft sand and soft snow, but that soft sand gets into those little recessed pockets, fills them right up, locks these guys up so your suspension doesn't work properly, and kind of a little bit of a pain in the butt to clean out. It's not too bad, but with the snow, you don't have to worry about it because the snow melts away. So there we go. There is a look at our little idler wheel suspension spring and the pocket that it sits in.
Kind of hard right there.
Nice thing about the snow is all that stuff melts away. Yeah, it's rock hard right there. Our days, our warm-up days. All right, let's find another spot to zip around. Back in the Kaiser yard. We're on your property, Jim. Thanks for the birthday wishes, by the way, there, Jimbo. And Matt, Yono, Doug Whitaker, thank you all for your birthday wishes. Aaron, thank you for the birthday wishes, very much appreciated. I think I got the bases covered on the birthday wishes. If I missed anybody, I'm sorry. Much appreciated, though. Joyce is going to be like, what's going on? I see lights. She might be down in Jimmy's. Right, it's just heading down south, so. Get it, baby. You hear those tracks. If you're listening carefully, you hear the tracks as they're fighting for traction, getting up the hill. Fighting for traction, not fighting. A little woof woof of the tracks. Let's see if we can hear it on this one. Hear like a little woof woof woof. A little slight low bass. Camera probably won't pick it up. Get out of your way. I made a little hole there, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, a little whoop whoop whoop. Surprisingly, these plastic tracks do outstanding on these trucks in the snow. You would think that you would need the heavier rubber tracks with the metal cleats, but heavy weight doesn't do so good in the snow. Just help you sink a little faster. Want to keep your vehicle as light as possible. Those once again, those rubber tracks with the metal cleats are great for clearing your sidewalk if you're going to be using the blade on the front of your Blizzard, plowing snow and things of that nature. They work great. But otherwise, deep powder playing, you want the plastic tracks. Keep it as light as possible. Lighter the better. Same with the crawlers. You want to play around in the steep snow. That was close. Keeping them light is key. You're alright. That's close. Yeah, another big Johnny airtime out of you. Thought I was going to tag it, didn't you? That was close. I stopped just in the nick of time. Tough to get a drift going. Snow's got to be just right. Road's got to be just right. About to tag your boots. Difficult balance trying to drift the blizzard. Yeah, sometimes it's easier to go one way versus the other. That's a nice little power slide. There are a couple of four-stroke snowmobiles in the background. The Yamahoos. Yamaha what? That's a nice little power slide. Yeah, they're fun. It takes some practice, you know. I've had my Blizzard for, what, how many years now? Since 2019? I got that just before my TRX4 Bronco, like literally just before my TRX4 Bronco. I ordered the Blizzard, and like the next day, the TRX4 Bronco pre-release order was out, available. And so I ordered that immediately afterwards. That's that rock hard snowbank again. Yeah, we're getting a bit far off course. Let's head back up the other way. We're getting into the flatland area. Flatlanders. Total runtime on these vehicles with these dual WL toy batteries, dual motors. Pretty long runtime. 85 to 100 minutes plus. Depending on how you're driving it. That's pretty good runtime. For two very small battery packs, smaller than a cell phone. About the size of a Cricket cell phone, really. Another car, eh? Chasing him down. I'm sure he's a little bit jealous. I hear he's an artist. Don't know what kind of artist he is, but does he paint? Like Rita from Idiocracy? Painting fruit and stuff. I was getting stuck there. I thought I was getting stuck there. Goofy gloves. You're up on a hill there, eh?
Yeah. Cars doesn't good.
Oh, side hilling it. Sorry about that for the weird camera angle there. Gloves making it difficult to go full throttle with the sticks once again. I get part way up the hill and I want to go. I want to push a little harder on the left stick, and I can't because the thumb is just not let me do that. It caused me to drift off the snowbanks. One big long sweep right there was not intentional. Glove mishap. Test fire your transmitters when you put your gloves on. Make sure you can work the buttons before you go out. Oh yeah.
That thing's really
steep.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's
they
move.
really spit the snow out there.
Let's head on somewhere else. Bit of bumpy grind. Oh! Oh! Took you out. That's what you get for getting in my way.
Thankfully your nose dove down.
Well, you know, I wasn't looking. I was looking up here.
Oh my gosh.
I had a good little jump coming off that thing. We're just magnetically attracted there, those two trucks. What we need to do is create a racetrack. We need to create a track, a little blizzard track. Natural one in the woods, just, you know, make a little, find a little route and plot it out real quick and then rip around that. Try to cruise through our little runoff valley up here on the right. That ought to be an interesting little spot.
I was expecting those.
Well, it could be. Hey, that light bar got real bright there for a second.
Yeah. Oh, that filled in pretty good.
Yeah, it's filled in pretty good. There's a big rain rut that we've got, our trench cut through the woods here. There's a rain diversion, runoff diversion, erosion control.
I cleaned all this up there. We cleaned all this up.
Right there, a little dip.
Oh!
What is that?
There's a stick or a tree or something there. Oh my gosh.
There's something there. Sure is. Don't go any further. I'll see if I can bump into the other way. Don't know if it's gonna help or not. Yeah, it's a tree.
Oh my gosh.
And I
Climbing a
need
tree.
my peripheral. I'm sitting here looking at the truck and not the camera. Am I getting close to it yet or what?
Oh.
Oh yeah, you were on a tree.
Oh my gosh. I got to walk it again.
Is it? Let's try it again. See if you can back it out of there. Before you get in too deep.
Maybe if you hit it from the back front of it, and you have to rebound it back.
It might push you over backwards.
Probably.
Oh.
Right. I don't want to do that. Wow, that's a tree, all right.
Not trying to mount you, but I think you're stuck. You're definitely up against a tree. Nighttime driving. Hitting obstacles. Oh, you got your footprints over here. Make a nice little obstacle. Ah, right up against the tree. That's a cool little valley in there. Right through here is our rain rut. A low spot. Again. My wind batteries must be getting a little bit low. Losing power on the passenger side track. We have been out here for 50 minutes already at least. In between videos or edits and blah blah blah, starts and stops and videotapes. That's what I'm trying to say. We've been out here for a while. Try to practice your drifting. It's probably from the drifting. Yeah, a little birthday fun with the blizzards. Basically all we're doing right now is just goofing around before dinner. We've got both the senders sitting out acclimating right now. VXL track edition of senders. Got that VXL and Ian's Blazer. He's itching to drive it. Don't know how it's going to handle out here. We did get a winter storm system move through a couple days ago. Gave us a good 6 to 8 inches of extra snow. Track slap. My batteries are getting dead. Well, that's going to do it, boys and girls. And once again, just goofing around with the trucks. Hope you all enjoyed the video. And we'll be back with another one later on this evening. And we'll see you all on the next one. Thanks again.